The following segment is sponsored by Oakdale Egg Farms.
I think Chef Brian's going to make good use out of those Oakdale eggs
I
today.
sure will.
Yeah.
You know, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, that doctors and that say, so why not start with some Oakdale eggs? No antibiotics, no hormones, cage-free. They truly are a great choice for that most important food choice of the morning. So we're going to show you to put together a scrambled egg burrito that's so easy. And I'm starting off with chorizo, which is a Mexican-style sausage. You can buy it at Smith's there. And it's very easy, or you can just use a regular breakfast sausage. It doesn't matter. I just thought with Cinco de Mayo tomorrow, it'd be a great choice here we're going to do. So that's all cooked up and ready to go. Now what I'm going to get going in the pan here is a little bit of onions, some garlic. Going to get that sauteing. And this is a nonstick pan. People always say, Brian, do you ever have nonstick pans? I do, and I mostly will cook my eggs in them just because they won't stick. So by using a nonstick pan, it'll ensure they're not going to stick, but we're going to scramble them. So I'm going to get this onion and garlic sauteing here. I have some pickled jalapenos that I'm going to put together here. Just kind of chop up and add in there as well as some black beans. And you can cook the black beans if you want to by yourself, or you can buy them in a can. It's a 16-ounce can, so very simple to do. So now once I get these in here, I'm going to get those sauteing with some of the black beans, and I'm going to add in the Oakdale eggs. These are the brown eggs, and I love the brown eggs. You can get them in brown or white eggs. And we always used to joke as a kid that if the brown eggs, it's kind of like chocolate milk, you know, the chocolate cow had to give the chocolate milk. We always said the brown chickens always give the brown eggs, but it just depends on the breed of the chicken. And let's get that sauteing up here. And I have to tell you, this smells amazing. What is it about fresh onions and garlic and everything just sauteing here? So while those are finishing up here, I have the eggs ready to go. I'm going to scramble them, add them into there. So guys, when we come back, we'll finish up the scrambled egg breakfast burrito. Perfect for any morning.
Or you can have for dinner too if you want.
I love breakfast anytime. Good excuse to have someone else do it.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, maybe somebody else can come cook for me, right?
Well, you're welcome to any time.
Okay, let's finish up this burrito. It's a great breakfast burrito idea using the eggs from Oakdale Eggs, my dear friends. Grew up with the family up there in Idaho. Great family, cage-free, they're hormone-free, no antibiotics. It's a great choice for breakfast. Okay, now I have the chorizo sausage that we've cooked up here. I have the scrambled eggs, and I have the burrito-style tortilla, and that's just the larger tortillas. That's all it is. And I took it and I toasted it on the stove, on the gas stove. If you don't have a gas stove, just toast it in a pan so it warms it up, gives it some nice toasting. A little sprinkling of some cheddar cheese on there, and then you roll it up like a burrito. I always start from one end, roll in the other sides, tuck them kind of in, and then you're going to finish rolling up that burrito, and voila, there we have our breakfast burrito. That's kind of boring at this point, so we're going to doctor it up a little bit. So I have some sour cream that I put on top of this one, as well as some avocado. And what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to take some, this is the Smith's Private Selection, the tomatillo sauce. I just love tomatillo sauce. You can use any brand that you want to. It's just a great flavor on there. And then I'm going to use some of the red chili salsa. Oh, I didn't say pasta. Salsa over top of that. That'll be good. This is another great one there too. And then to finish it off, you can put a little bit of a sprinkling of some of the more cheddar cheese on top and some of the lettuce. This is very American to do this. Down in Mexico, when I saw these, they never did that in Mexico, but I just thought it looked nice. So we're going to do it an American version there, which is a delicious breakfast burrito using the eggs from my friends at Oakdale Farms. A great choice for breakfast. Go grab some at the grocery store. They're sold where the eggs are sold there, and you're going to absolutely love them. This recipe is featured on cookingwithchefbrian.com on the homepage, or you can go to KUTV.com and get this delicious breakfast burrito. It's perfect for Mother's Day, guys.